Hello and welcome to the Synthetic Electron 3D channel. Meet Spitfire. This is my most modded printer. You could say it's my test printer. And I have to admit, I've done something pretty terrible to it. And no, it's not all the mods you can't seem to understand or find a reason for. It's quite a bit worse than that. But before we get to that, let's talk about what this video is intended to be, which is a follow-up to the Quiet Recirculation mod video, which is a mod that allows the auxiliary fan to be placed so the intake is facing inside the printer. This not only reduces noise significantly, it allows for the air to be recirculated within the chamber. This has a couple of benefits, one of which is keeping warm air in the chamber, and another that we'll discuss shortly. But let's get back to Spitfire for just a moment. Somewhere along the lines, during testing, let's just say that Spitfire's fan headers on the main board ceased functioning. We're not going to get into exactly why that is, but it's safe to say that any comparisons wouldn't really be valid, and I'm going to wait until that gets fixed to do that. In the meantime, let's see what we can change on the model using community feedback as a guide. For simplicity's sake, I'm just going to refer to feedback on printables that I received for this model. And Layer Shifted had brought up something about making the intake lower. So that would require making a longer duct that leads up to the quote air blade. And I was thinking along the same lines myself, so I'm a little bit partial, but what do others have to say? Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Also, I know that air quality is of significant concern. With a duct extension, it may be relatively easy to add some carbon filtration into the system. This way nasty chemicals like styrene can be filtered out continuously as the fan recirculates air within the chamber. And I think it would likely be more effective than a one-pass carbon filtration that just exhausts that air. This doesn't eliminate the need for a filter on the exhaust, it just augments it. BMA suggested a similar design for the Bamboo Lab X1C. And I would love to do that if I had access to an X1C or was able to work with someone in the community closely on such a project. That is something for the future though, because I don't currently have the bandwidth to do that. But if that's something that people will be interested in seeing or, having a model for, please leave a comment below. 7prints requested that I release the CAD files for this model, and I plan on doing so. I will go ahead and add the step files to the printables listing soon, so keep an eye out for that. If any of this resonates with you and you have strong feelings on the direction that this should go, then please comment below. Also, I just wanted to acknowledge that this was not the extent of the feedback that I received, and I appreciate all of it. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this content, please give it a like. And if you would like to see more content similar to this, then please subscribe. Thank you for watching.